How to apply for a Best Buy credit card. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box, type in Best Buy credit card and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, bestbuy.com, rewards and financing. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now over here, you will see the option of apply now. Click on it. Now confirm your information. Provide your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and then click on confirm and continue. To apply for a credit card, you have to fill this. Type in your first name, middle name, last name, email address, phone number. After you provide all the personal information, click on continue. Now confirm your address. Type in your street address, suit, city, state, zip code, and after you provide all the details, click on continue. In the next page, you will need to provide your financial information, and after you do that, lastly you have to confirm all the free details, and just with that you have applied for a Best Buy credit card. So this way you can easily apply for a Best Buy credit card online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.